Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here with another video. Today I'm here to share a quick Dollar Tree haul. I have been going to Dollar Tree, but I haven't really found anything all that great until I went with my daughter shopping, and we stopped at a Dollar Tree and I found some really cool stuff. Um, I think other people have shared that they have these little kits. Um, Diamond painting keychain. I was like, what? And it seems like it has everything that you need. Oh, sorry. The the pan. I mean, oh my gosh, isn't that, I just love this cute little cupcake. And then here is a little coffee one. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, I want to try that out. And then I found this other diamond painting for $1.25. I mean, you cannot go wrong. I love this sunflower one. And it is 6.18 by 6.18 inches. So that's a really good size. It has everything you need, the drills, the glue, the pen, the pan. I mean, perfect, right? Oh my gosh. Okay. And then I found some cross stitching. I used to love to cross stitch, and I love this cherry one, and I love this embroidery hoop. And I found a donut one. I want to try that out too. And then I found this embroidery hoop, or it's a, yeah, it's embroidered, where you, I don't know if I can do it, but I'm going to try it out. I've never done it before. It has the instructions and all that, so I think it'll be interesting. Keep me busy when I'm not crafting, I guess. So I found that, and then today I went to a Dollar Tree and I found these pretty flowers. Oh my gosh, this one is so gorgeous with the white and the blue in the middle. And this is like a teal colored green. It doesn't really, it looks like, the camera doesn't look teal, but it's very pretty. I love the pearl centers. And then I found these. I mean, these are probably not new, but they're new to me. And I thought those were really pretty. I love the pearls in the center. And then I found these labels, these multi-labels. I'm trying to organize my craft room. We'll see. It's like an ongoing task. And then lastly, well, not lastly, I found these flashcards, and I'm a big fan of Winnie the Pooh. Love the storybooks. I love Tigger. He's like one of my favorites, along with Pooh Bear. I like Eeyore and Piglet. But I just found these flashcards, and I just had to get them. Not that I'm going to alter them all. I think I just wanted them because they're just so cute. Let me open one because I just want to see what they look like. Oh, look at Pooh Bear. Isn't he adorable? Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at Piglet. Look at, he's painting blue square. And there's Eeyore. And there's Rabbit. And I hope there's Tigger. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tigger. Isn't he adorable? Oh my gosh. I just love them. I just love it. Isn't that just adorable? Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I'm a big Tigger fan, or I'm a big Winnie the Pooh fan, and these flashcards are just amazing. So lastly, I found these stamps. I am still on the hunt for the coffee stamps. You know, I think I've seen a couple people with them, and they have different cups and like a coffee grinder, and oh my gosh, I'm in the hunt for that. I still haven't found them, but I thought this set was really interesting. It has a lot of inspirational sayings. Like this one says, create your own magic. Love makes a house. Oh, makes a house a home. You are so loved. Be authentically you. Dream hard, work harder. Do your best. Live. Live your live, love, laugh, love. Spread the love. You got this. Um, make every moment count with a little um, unicorn. Good vibes. Never give up hope. Well done. Always follow your heart and be kind. I thought that was really cute. I just love, love, love this stamp set. That's the well, there was another set that was new that I did not get. And I think it was more of a travel theme one, and I have so many travel theme stamp sets, and this one really caught my eye. So if you're still with me in this haul, I am going to do a little giveaway to anybody that wants to participate. All you have to do is put be kind in your comment, and I will send you a stamp set. I think I have it right here. I'm going to give you a stamp set, the same stamp set that I just bought, and a little keychain, a diamond painting keychain of a coffee mug. Isn't that cute? Oh my god, that's such adorable. And all you have to do in the comments below is just put in, don't say that I'm doing a giveaway, just put in be kind, and I will draw a name, and um, and we'll have a winner. So yeah, I haven't done one in a while, and I really wanted to do one today. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.